pala. Avenue before reaching Santa Cruz. Traffic. Tapos ang gulo-gulo pa ng highway. Medyo hupa na. Kaya pala na. Thank you. Medyo hupa na dito. Hey! Nasa fixie naman ako, din man ako mahataw. Tamang chillax ride lang, you know. Gusto lang namin yung feel. Yung feel ng connectivity between the rider and the bike. Kasi pag naka-fixie ka, to me tira yung feeling one with the bike Kung ang galaw ng legs mo, hindi ng galaw ng gulong. Backward or forward.
Wala nang galaw, okay na to.
Kaya minsan, like mga ngitong short trips, hindi na ako naglalagay ng fender. The thing in this guys, yung fenders, yung gulong naman na nakakabit, hindi naman matalsikin. If I go slow, no spill, talsik. By the way, dala ko ngayon si Roku. We'll do a bike check soon with Roku kasi mga isang taon dyan na pahinga. Ginamit natin lagi si Bradley at saka si Bibingka. Roku is a 2015 Pusa Works frame, custom frame. Sukat niya is 5353. Way back 2015. I once sold Roku na before. Then to a friend. Then the friend sold it. Fortunately, I was able to buy it. Okay, medyo nakakita ng konti. meron tayong mga ibang riders na papabilis, babahataw, pero not the max. It's like we've been there, we've done that, so we have nothing to prove anymore. Just enjoying the ride. Thank you. Clear. Stay clear. Tayo sa kabila. Hindi ako niya sa gitna. Blink yung green, nag-turn ng yellow, diretso pa din. O, non-stop. Iwan sila sa gitna. Wasn't traffic, di ba? Oh my God. I don't know if you can see the camera on my left and ang CCT. Currently under renovation. On the right is the parking lot. Today is a Wednesday, so it's my day off. Right after lunch. Pahinga ako konti, ligo. Then I get out of the house. And I usually spin sa kabilang road sa may Star City. Ikot-ikot, mga 5, 10. Then head for COA, Breakwater Grounds, coffee, meet with friends. But this time, from the house, let's go straight sa COA. Weather looks good. May parating na storm. But let's see kung tutuloy. The road is wet. Umulan lang kanina. Hi. We're on the right naman. Yan yung Valley Philippines. Doon na muna sila sa parang ito lang kung temporary yan. Yan na talaga yung studio. Ito Valley Philippines. Kanan ng kaliwa naman puro tennis. Now we're fast approaching Bogarts Theater na I think dinidismantle. Ewan ko, for the past weeks may mga naglalabas ng mga kahoy, mga support beams na kinakabit. Oh my God, sana ayusin lang nila and magamit ulit. And in front of us naman, that's the Coconut Palace, where used to be mga vice presidents nag-stay or nag-office. I don't know now. Oh, here we are. COA Breakwater Grounds. Some call it Air One. Mga bagong blood, they call it Air One. Tanda pa sa amin, call it Parisok. Kami in the middle, call it COA, Breakwater Grounds. Kasi dito yung satellite office ng COA, Commission on Audit. So, that's right. And ang tao, sarap. Ang kape. Tayo sa gitna para tagusan ng hangin. Bagong pusa to ah. Hi. Meow. Meow. you go. No. Wala ako pagka. Gabi. Eme. Eme. Wala akong food. Ma. Eme. Liga. Wala akong food eh. Just got here sa Kowa Breakwater Grounds, as you know. Yan. Bakit Breakwater Grounds? Kasi ngayon ang breakwaters, diba? Breakwaters. Doon yung office ng Kowa. Ganda Manila Bay. Harangan dalawang barko. Ito lang tayong gumamaya. Check natin kung anong may happening.